Good morning, teacher. I am Shivan Singh, the student of Mary College. Would like to present on the topic impact of COVID-19 rising cybercrimes during lockdown. So here's the index. First is impact of COVID-19 on e-commerce. Second, rising cybercrimes during the lockdown. Third, things you need to remember to stay safe from cybercrimes during this lockdown. Now here, impact of COVID-19. In this surreal experience of self-isolation across the globe, people are rediscovering long-hidden talents, introducing themselves to crafts, books, music and movies, and apparently they are also shopping online and spending considerably more than exactly a year prior. The number of trackers change daily and are reflected to the dramatic rise of those staying at the home during the coronavirus pandemic. Online stoppers Online shoppers are making purchase more quickly and that they had in 2019. Mobile orders have increased as retailers use reduce purchase friction and offer mobile only promotion. The food retail category saw nearly 200%. E-commerce sales of the food retail category continues to grow at an unprecedented rate, reaching year over year growth of nearly 580%. Rising cybercrimes during lockdown. With billions of people under lockdown and working from homes, criminals are going online to make easy money. Cyber criminals are exploiting the fear among people about the pandemic through email scams, phishing, ransomware attacks, etc. Cybercriminals have been exploiting fear about the COVID 19 outbreak to conduct email scams, phishing, and ransomware attacks. These emails and messages entice users to open malicious attachment by offering more information related to COVID-19 situations. These files are masked under the guise of links, PDF, MP4, and doc files. Palo Alto Networks Regional Vice President of India and SAARC Anil Basin said. Now it is not just individuals who are being targeted, companies too are under increasing risk. Companies like large and small will be impacted due to ramifications of work from home as this will lead to cybersecurity risk concerns. Proprietary corporate data is being accessed from laptops and homes PCs and they have not been at the same level of firewall and security as in office setups, said Deepak Bhavani, CEO at Elia Consulting. Management and IT managers will subsequently need to reassess the risk to their data and proactively evacuate their data loss prevention processes, as this can impact their reputation going forward, experts said. Steps you should remember to stay safe from cybercrimes during this lockdown. You can change the default password of your home Wi-Fi router to prevent hackers from accessing your network. Do not allow anyone else to share your computer network and other devices which you have brought from your office. Don't forget to turn off the remember password option when you are logging into the company's information systems and applications from their personal devices. Ensure that your remote session automatic time out after a specific period of inactivity and they are required to re-authentication to gain access. Respond carefully to the files masked under the guides of links, PDF, MP4, and docs files. If you are not sure for the news, don't forward the news on any social networking sites. And last but not the least, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching and listening my presentation so patiently.